Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
How you doing, Sandy?
Yes, you're in the Bronx and looking at you, how sharp you look.
You think so?
Oh, yes.
You think I look somewhat sharp today? Just need to get the hair done and everything will be all right. Right? I think I just go wild with the hair sometimes, you know. I think sometimes, you know, we just got to let ourselves out, you know.
You have to.
The imagery
is
is great. I do believe image is everything, but, you know, sometimes I just, can't afford to do the hair today. No. Just let the hair out, man, you know. So the hair is out. Maybe it's midlife crisis. You never know. Anyway, speaking about midlife crisis, a lot of folks are having some crisis out there right now. Yes. And I want a lot of folks across the tri-state area to understand that we do have you, Sandy, from First Republic Mortgage Bankers here in the building. And you're ready, right, willing, and able to help a lot of folks out there who, one, would like to purchase homes. Although, you know, a lot of folks are getting a lot of negative feedback from the market. Some people still want to purchase home, and you and I, we know that there's still affordable housing out there,
yes,
right?
There is. There's affordable housing. Mm-hmm. You know, we have listings. We have people that can work with them right there, you know, at First Republic to find affordable housing. Right. In all, you know, with one low rate. Mm-hmm. So, you know, we may not be able to save the whole world, but you know what? We can save one person at a time.
I like that.
So, you know.
What is the interest rate right now for the government-backed program in purchasing homes that will, you know, qualify for the FHA, or individuals that will qualify for the FHA? What is the interest rate now?
Okay. There's a special program within, you know, that government-backed program that offers at 3.875.
I heard about that earlier this week. I did not get a chance to delve into it more, but tell us more about that 3.875. Is it an adjustable rate mortgage? Is it a fixed loan? Explain that to me before people call you and ask you more about it.
Okay. It's a 3-step program. Okay. To get the mortgage, you get it at 3.875, you know, and I think it's, you know, we have to make it clear so that people, you know, won't get the wrong idea about it. You get the rate. First year, 3.875. Mm-hmm. The second year is at 4.875, and the final is 5.875. I mean, you still have a low rate. So
which is good. And who knows
where
the interest rate is going to be in 3 years?
In 3 years, exactly. It might be sky high. So, you know, you still have an excellent rate at 5.875. So your mortgage is not really going to go up by that much. Okay. So, you know, it's what they call the 3 steps. You know, it only goes up 3 times, but it's not like it's going to jump up, you know, to a rate that you can afford, because you can still afford that at 5.875. If you could buy a house right now at 5.875, you would. So, you know, now you can buy it at 3.875.
Right. So wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, and now just to make everyone truly understand what it is you, the loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers, right, you're saying an individual that qualifies for this program, the first year, their interest rate on that principal will be 3.875.
Correct.
The second year on that principal, the balance, will be 4.875.
Correct.
The third and final year and the rest of the life of the loan, which will be fixed. Which
for 27 years.
27 years will be 5.875.
Correct.
Wow.
So they don't have to worry about it jumping anymore from the third year.
I think
and
that
it's still low.
I think that is phenomenal, and that is great, because even on my property now, I don't even have 5.875.
Oh,
okay, I have
I'm
6
sorry.
point something, you know. And you know, so if people can start at 3.875 and end up 3 years later at 5.875, I think that is great, because right now I've got 6 point something in one of my properties.
Sure.
So you know,
I wish I had that.
You know, so you know, like they say, different strokes for different folks, and a lot of folks out there can qualify for this loan program.
They can, but you know, unfortunately, they're afraid. They're afraid that they can't handle it. But the only way that they can find out is if they call.
Right.
You know, you're not going to lose anything. You're not obligated to anything by picking up that phone and calling.
Right.
You know, you're calling for the information. You're calling to find out if you can qualify. So, I mean, you know, you're not going to be on the air, and I know a lot of you folks are afraid that you're going to be on the air.
No,
Anyone's going to be listening.
No.
But, you know, it's confidential.
It's private.
Okay, so, I mean, you know, give us a call. Call me right here. I'm at the studio, you know, and I'm here to help you. So, you know, call right now and see if you can qualify for that, you know, special low rate. And, you know, there is affordable housing out there. We have several listings.
And you will
know.
help.
Yes, we will help. You don't have to do it on your own. We will help you.
Wow. Once again, folks, that's talking about purchasing. You can make the call right now. The number here is 718-325-5555. Sandy would like to speak with you. And I know a lot of folks are very apprehensive in calling. And a lot of folks are apprehensive in calling because, you know, they've heard negative things out there. And there's so much negativity flowing
too
around.
much.
And
You know, can't be like
but
that.
But you know what? We have a very smart listenership base. And these individuals know that, more importantly, they need to speak with someone.
Right.
You know, they need to get the knowledge. So we're opening up the phone lines at 718-325-5555. Another thing that we would like to say to people is that you have an excellent refi rate right now.
That's right.
Let's face it.
That's
a
right.
lot of us have credit card bills. A lot of us have debts, period.
Yes.
Some of us need to get some cash. Okay, one of the abilities that we have is when times get rough is to be able to tap into the equity of your home.
Correct.
To hold you over until the rough times passed. And also, one of the services that First Republic Mortgage Bankers give individuals is some financial advice. You know, let people take a good look at all their bills and see where they're going to be in a year, in 2 years. They take a look at individuals' credit. And I heard about the meeting yesterday where where First Republic Mortgage Bankers loan officer is even taking a closer look at people's credit to see if they can adjust their credit or help them with their credit. Little issues, blemishes on their credit.
Things, right.
And that's very important.
That take a matter of days, you know, to just clear.
Right. And, you know, I just want to say, folks, if you are paying more than 7%, pick up the phone, speak with Sandy privately, off the air, and ask her if you can qualify for 5.5%. If we can only ask DJ Sean and Levette out there to close the door for me, please. We are having a professional programming here on the airwaves. Thank you so much. We're picking up their voices out there. But folks, it's 5.5% for refinancing right now. Now,
that's right.
Scott also noted that there are conventional programs out there also that's offering 5.5%. Can you qualify? There's only one way to find out if you can qualify. And people, this is not a pie in the sky. Not everyone will qualify, but at least find out. Find out if First Republic Mortgage Bankers is the bank for you. The market is very, very tough out there. And, you know, also I've got to remind folks, if you sit about and you do nothing, that's exactly what will happen.
Yes.
You will get nothing.
Nothing. The problems will remain.
But one thing I can say, I'm not the best or the greatest talker on mortgages because what I do is broadcasting and marketing. However, I can tell people that I'm offering them one of the finest institutions in this country that has been offering individuals monies to buy their homes and refinance their homes over the past 13 years. And there's a reason why they've been around for 13 years. Make the call right now and speak with one of the loan officers from that institution, which is First Republic Mortgage Bankers. I'm very proud of her. I love what it is that she has done. I'm working very closely with her each and every single day, and she'd like to help everyone out there that's within our community. Her name, Sandy. You can call her on two numbers right here at the Link Up Media Building. 718-325-5555 or 718-324-LINK. That's 718-324-5465. Ask for her by name. Ask her what she's doing for the holidays, what she's doing for Christmas. Once again, 718-324-LINK or 718-325-5555. Sandy, thank you so much. Have a plush weekend. A lot of folks are on the phone lines right now waiting for you. Okay. So I'm going to let you go and speak with these individuals. All right?
Okay, Squeeze, and thank you for having me. You know, I love to be here.
I know that, most definitely. Sandy, once again, will take all of your calls, and she'll spend as much time as needed on the phone lines with you. Call her right now and pick her brain. Tell her about your situation. Do you want to buy a house now? Do you want to refinance later on? When do you want to refinance? Call her up right now. The number here in studios is 718-325-5555.